Welcome to room 171. I am Joelle Sanders, and this year I'm teaching English 2 and English 3. I am used to putting stuff online. Before we had Canvas, I used Google Classroom. So everything that your students will need will be on Canvas, with the exception of perhaps a book once in a while. I have things organized by modules. So when you go to Canvas homepage, click modules, and they're all listed there. The best way to reach me if there's questions is probably through Remind. And the students can find the Remind text code in the syllabus. Again, they can go to Canvas and click on syllabus on the left-hand side, and that'll take them to the syllabus. And then the Remind code is there. Parents are welcome to join as well, but I really try to get all the students to join on the Remind. For sophomores, we're going to start off reading A Raisin in the Sun, which is a play, and so we'll actually be listening to that together as a group. And for the juniors, we work through American literature, starting back at colonial times, so that's where we are now, talking about the Pilgrims coming in and reading William Bradford's Of Plymouth Plantation. And then eventually we're going to get to The Crucible, which is one of my absolute favorites. So we're going to read The Crucible together as a class, and then we will get to watch the movie with Daniel Day-Lewis. It's an excellent rendition because the playwright helped produce the movie, so it is wonderful. That's Arthur Miller, who helped produce the movie. Anyway, everything you're going to need from my class is on Canvas. I make sure that I even post audios of the books that we're reading on Canvas so students can find what they need there. Hope you guys have a great day, and I look forward to this year.